Let log to the base 2 of a be equal to x, log to the base 2 of b be equal to y, and log to the base 2 of c be equal to z. Express log to the base 2 of a divided by b squared times c all cubed in terms of x, y, and z. Okay, so we've got log to the base 2 of a over b squared 3 cubed. If we use this rule of logarithms, which is log to the base r x of r, is equal to r log a of x. So that means we can bring that 3 and put it down in front. So we get 3 log to the base 2 of a divided by b squared c. Then if we now use log to the base a of x over y is equal to log to the base a of x minus log to the base a of y, we can now write 3 brackets log to the base 2 of a minus log base 2 of b minus log to the base 2 of c. Now you might think, well, that's a divided by b times a, b squared times a, which means you would have to put that in brackets and put a plus in, but when you take the minus in, you get back to that. Now all we need to do is multiply, now we need to take that 2, put it down in front using that rule there. So we've got 3 to the log base 2 of a minus 2 log base 2 of b minus log base 2 of c. Now multiplying through by 3, we get 3 log base 2 of a, minus 6, 3 times 2, log base 2 of b, minus log base 2 of c. Now, because log base 2 of a is x, and log base 2 of b, and log base 2 of log base 2 of b is y, and log base 2 of c is z, I can replace that with x, that with y, and that with z. So our expression, log to base 2 of a over b squared times c all cubed, will become 3x minus 6y minus 3z. So this has been a video to show you how to express logs in terms of x, y, and z according to these rules here. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.